Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'm excited to share something extremely useful for anyone who works online, runs social media, creates ads, or uses AI tools. I'm talking about a platform that I recently discovered, AccountMarket.store. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the platform, explain how it works, and most importantly, show you my own purchases so you can see that everything is real and trustworthy. AccountMarket.store is basically a huge marketplace where you can buy verified digital accounts instantly. They offer a massive selection: Instagram accounts, Gmail accounts, Facebook ads accounts, and even access to different AI tools. Everything is organized by category, easy to browse, and each product includes the details you need before buying. It's perfect for people who need reliable accounts without wasting hours trying to create or verify them manually. Before recommending this website to anyone, I wanted to test it myself. So I made several purchases, and honestly, I was impressed. The checkout was simple, the prices were reasonable, and the delivery was super fast. I received all my account details immediately after payment. No waiting, no complications. Every account I bought was fully functional, secure, and ready to use. That's a big deal for me, because I only share tools that actually work, not something risky or questionable. Right now on the screen, you'll see my live walkthrough. First, I purchased an Instagram account, and as you can see, the login details arrived instantly. Next, I bought a Gmail account, also delivered with full access, no problems at all. And finally, I purchased a Facebook ads account, which is very important for anyone who runs online advertising. Again, everything worked perfectly. The account was verified, clean, and ready to start running campaigns. I'm showing all of this because I want you to see that AccountMarket.store is not just a random website. It actually delivers exactly what it promises. If you're a digital marketer, business owner, dropshipper, agency, freelancer, or even someone just starting out, this platform will save you a lot of time. You can get high-quality accounts instantly without dealing with verification issues. So that's my full review and testing of AccountMarket.store. I've tried it myself, and the experience was smooth, fast, and completely legit. If you need Instagram, Gmail, Facebook ads accounts, or powerful AI tools, I definitely recommend checking it out. Thanks for watching, and if you want more tutorials or reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.